Friends. Today we're talking about a brand new shape. A lot of my friends forget this shape. It's a shape with two long sides. Uh-oh, that ornery leprechaun. Two straight long sides and two straight short sides.
Mrs. Beck, yours aren't too straight.
They are two straight. Pretend they're straight, friends. Two straight long sides and two straight short sides. That's a rectangle. Even my paper is a rectangle. Can you think of some things that are rectangles at home? Look around your house. Two long sides and two short sides. Did you look out the window? I bet your window is a rectangle. Let's look at some other things that are rectangles. Did you think of a chalkboard? Chalkboards are rectangles. How about a cell phone? A cell phone is a rectangle. There's a map. Maps are usually rectangles, two short sides and two long sides. Maybe you said a calculator. Calculators are rectangles, and they even have some rectangle buttons. A flag is a rectangle. Even our flag of Ireland is a rectangle. I have one more rectangle. I bet you guessed this, a door. A door is a rectangle. Friends, the flag of Ireland is a rectangle, the whole flag, and then each individual section, the green, the white, and the orange. Does your flag of Ireland look like mine? And look at the children from Ireland. Well, let's look at our rectangle paper, friends. The rectangle paper is located in the very back of the first paper clipped packet. The very back paper. Pull it out so we can do it together.
Mrs. Beck,
But
do they need to color their Ireland the first paper too, right?
yes, we talked about that when we were in Ireland. I showed them the flag, so
Sorry.
they could, but now they saw what color it is too, Mrs. Brown. Well, now we're to rectangle. Rectangle. What letters rectangle end with or start with? Starts with an R. I pinch my pencil with two fingers, then I use the third finger to hold it steady. These two fingers are curled up. I don't need them. R, E. I always start at the top and go down. C, T, A, N, down, down. G, there's the magic C, and give it a tail. L, E, rectangle. Here we have to trace the word R, E, C, T, A, N, G, L, E, rectangle. Trace each of the words that says rectangle. RECTANGLE. G says g, g, like rectangle, g, g. Hear that g? Lots of friends think G says j, but it usually says g. RECT, that's a couple weeks ago, letter A, N, G, L, and sneaky silent E, rectangle. This says draw it. Draw it. We have to draw a rectangle. You can draw a long rectangle this way. Try and make your sides nice and straight. My sides are a little wavy. Try and make them nice and straight. It's hard, huh? And two long line, short line, long line, short line. Draw some rectangles in your spot. Now, how many sides? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Do you remember how to write the number 4? Line down and line over. It looks like a capital L. And then I add a lowercase l. It's the number 4. That's such a fun number. How many corners? I don't know. Here's a corner 1. Here's a corner 2. Hope there's no spider webs in the corner. There's a corner 3. Oh, a mouse just ran out of that corner. There's a corner 4. 4 corners. So how many corners? Did you count 4? Now, color it. Should I color this? Oh no, what shape is that? You're right, it's a circle. I'm not going to color that. I'm not going to color with my pencil either. I'm going to color with my green crayon since it's St. Patrick's Day. My crayon's a little short, but it doesn't matter. It colors just as well. I'm going to try really hard to stay in the lines. Look, I made a mistake, but I'm not going to worry about it. I did my very best. Is this a rectangle? No, what shape is that? You're right, it's a square, and that's not a rectangle. There's a rectangle, 2 long sides and 2 short sides. Try to stay in the lines, but if you go out a little bit like I did, it's okay. That's not a rectangle, that's a square. That's not a rectangle, that's a circle. Is this a rectangle? You're right, it is. Let's color it. That's no rectangle, that's a square. And that's no rectangle, that's a circle. If your paper looks like mine, give your brain a kiss. You did an awesome job. Maybe your grown-up will hang that wonderful paper on the refrigerator. And friends, before you go, you can turn your rectangle paper over. Write your first and last name. We want to keep practicing that first and last name. I can see a line right here I could write on. So I'll write Mrs. Beck. B-E-C-K. And if you'd like, you have a whole paper to draw a wonderful leprechaun trap. I wonder if you'll have a rectangle in your leprechaun trap. Make sure your grown-up puts it in your folder so you can bring it back to school when school comes back. I hope you like making rectangles and making a leprechaun trap. See you soon. Bye.